In addition to acting as the data model for your application, record types are the primary way in which users can view and act on data. Data can be presented in a variety of ways, including text, images, progress bars, and icons. The way you design the record matters. Users need to be able to look at a record, quickly understand everything in it, find what they're looking for, and act on it. Appian Records enable you to see your business information in a unified interface and take action in the context of that information. This lesson will help you plan the content and appearance of your records, and also how users can interact with the record data. Users can view records in other parts of an application using different user interface options. Sites, tempo, portals, or their organization's web pages that have embedded interfaces. Tempo is the default user interface that is available out of the box without any additional setup. It contains all of the interfaces that are designed for users to see, as well as the Appian newsfeed. Portals is a way to connect Appian applications to your external users without requiring authentication. Lastly, embedded interfaces allow users of external web pages to view Appian interfaces without going directly to an Appian user environment like Tempo or Sites. Most users access a site, which provides a customized user experience that is focused on a specific set of functionality. As a developer, you can create sites with a business-oriented navigation experience and terminology that users are familiar with. Appian strongly recommends that you consider sites or portals first, and only use the other interface options if your use case cannot be addressed by sites or portals. A site contains content that is organized into tabs. Each site can target a specific group. Think about the different sites needed for your groups and which records and reports you'll like to see on each site. Users can also see the tasks assigned to them on a Tasks tab. Here we see the Acme Auto Mechanics site, where a mechanic completes assigned tasks, views and updates maintenance requests on fleet vehicles, and views a maintenance report. A site can have a maximum number of 5 tabs, whether or not they're visible to the user. In Appian, the record list is how users first interact with a record. Here's an example of Acme's vehicle record list. Data columns are organized in a grid, some with icons and photos, so a user can quickly identify status or other information. You can sort and filter the data to find specific vehicle records. Another option is to display the record list in a feed format. On mobile devices, the feed style may be better than the grid because a lot of horizontal scrolling isn't required. In the Acme record list, notice that the vehicle's VIN is blue and underlined. If you click on the VIN, you can view the vehicle's summary view as shown here. The summary view displays additional details not displayed in the list view. In this example, you can see more details about a particular vehicle, including its maintenance history and comments. Columns and sections help organize information on the page. Use record actions to enable users to take action directly from record data. For example, if you want to start a process that adds new vehicles to a vehicle's record list, you can create an Add Vehicle action. If you want to start a process that updates, adds, or modifies information related to an individual vehicle, you can add a related action to that record. Learn more about actions in the next lesson.